Welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we are going to be doing that one. And yes, I have a little book of ideas. So first we're gonna start with the liquid latex. So first we're gonna start with the liquid latex, and we're just gonna put it on top of this e.l.f. Well, we're gonna put some of this on the e.l.f. hydration face cream. Now we're gonna line up how we want it. So we're gonna be putting the latex on first. So I redid this. So what you're gonna want to do is put the liquid latex down first, and then while you're getting your toilet paper, you roll it like that, and you place it on. So I did my foundation and concealer. I put some of the white Morphe concealer. So all that is left is just eyes, and I was thinking of doing a red, orange, and yellow look. We have two new members to my collection, which is the Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics Rio edition, and we got the BH Cosmetics Daisy Marquez palette, you know. Pretty cute. But we'll be using both. So first we're gonna go in with this palette by Daisy. So we're gonna be going into Dulce. I've never really tried the BH Cosmetics eyeshadows, and so far from yesterday I'm liking the ones that I've used. And then we're gonna go into Karma. want it to be a little darker, so we're gonna go into vintage. We're gonna be taking flour. We're gonna be taking a little bit of Dream mixed with Daisy for the bottom. We're going to take a little bit of Lucid. Now we're going to do the other eye off camera. So I'll be back, and I'll be back with lashes and liner too. I'm back. So now we're gonna take this Kylie matte liquid lipstick in Leo. Now we're gonna be putting the Stage Blood. So this is gonna be a tricky part. Kids, don't do this without a parent, or let your parent do it. But I'm gonna add a couple stitches.
So I'm giving myself so much anxiety.
I'm doing the rest off cameras. So now we're gonna do a highlighter, and then we're gonna do lips, and then that'll be it. We're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy. So we're gonna go into the Wet n Wild Mega Glow lip gloss in clear quartz, and then we're gonna go with the Wet n Wild Tint of Corruption. I don't know if I should leave this on or not. But yeah, that's the end of the look. Leave a like, comment down below what else I should do, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
That's our job.
But we're not mean in our town of Halloween.
In this town, don't we love it?
Myself again, and I remember you. Don't